Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening settings to prepare the weather app. Confirm location services are on using the main settings menu. Scroll to privacy, then location services, then select weather. Choose always or while using the app to permit location access. Turn on precise location for city-level accuracy and better local alerts. If you prefer manual control, you can skip location and add cities by name. Open the weather app and tap the list icon in the bottom right corner. Use the plus button to search and add a city by name, zip code, or airport identifier. Swipe left on a city to delete it or use Edit to reorder the list. Tap the three-dot menu to mark a city as home for quick access. If you want automatic updates, ensure background app refresh is enabled in settings for weather. If forecasts show the wrong city, toggle location services off, then back on and restart. Verify weather is allowed to use mobile data under settings if updates stall. Turn on background app refresh for weather to keep forecasts current in background. If GPS seems inaccurate, enable precise location or reset location and privacy in settings. Remember, manual city entries will override automatic GPS if you prefer fixed locations.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.